Hello, everyone. This is Paul Sapira, and you're listening to DJ Tommy G, the Hitman, at 89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Thank you for listening.
On BFM, it's Tommy G, the Hitman.
89.5 Subic Bay Radio. You guys heard the song from Paul Zapiera. Si Kuya Paul Zapiera, Iniibig Kita is the title of that song from his year 2000 album. I Remember the Day, yung title nung naging album niya. It's loaded with a lot of beautiful songs. Trust me. You guys check it out on YouTube, on Spotify and other music platforms. Yan, makikita nyo. Nandun lahat. All of the beautiful songs included in that beautiful, beautiful album. All right? And Paul Zapiera is an Olongapeño. Okay? Originally from Olongapo. He had quite a great career here before making it big with that band, Arcasia. Okay? So, if you're wondering whatever happened to Kuya Paul, nung wala na siya sa Olongapo City, he was in Hong Kong. Okay? Mainstay sila sa isang gimmick gig area, gimmick place in Hong Kong a few years back hanggang sa nag-pandemic. Alright? And then he was able to return after the pandemic muna. And then, right now, I think he's in the States na with his... kasi US-based si Easy Mill, yung kanyang son, rapper Easy Mill, who's very, very talented, who was, by the way, signed by the record label of Eminem and Dr. Dre. Galing-galing, no? Kaya proud na proud tayo dyan sa kababayan natin na si Kuya Paul Zapiera and his son, Easy Mill. Okay. So before we continue, I have a couple of shout-outs here. Shout-out muna kay Ate Ruchi. Ayan. Uy, may bago kong suki sa bilihan ng bigas. Ruchi's Bigas. Pero hindi yun talaga yung pangalan ng According dito sa pinakita niya na signage na nakatabingi, ang pangalan talaga ng store is Aling Dorang's Rice Store. Ayan. Sabi niya, hindi pa raw napapalitan yung signage. Yung pa yung nakalagay. Okay. Nandoon lang yun sa Alam niyo yung gitna na daanan sa palengkeng bago? Yung pinakagitna. Alright? Halos nandoon sa dulo. Yung papuntang Pure Gold. Yun. Okay? Aling Dorang's Rice Store. Again, nandoon sa dulo, sa bandang gitna. Alam niyo yung dulo? Sa gitna? Hindi pa yon. Dulo na. Katapat siya nung yung may mga panindang mga hopya mani popcorn. Joey's Variety Store. Sikat yung Joey's Variety Store na yan dahil marami silang mga tinapay na tinitinda ron, bakeries, ayan, okay. So, pero kung ang kailangan nyo ay bigas, mura na, nauutang pa. Aling Dorang's Rice Store. Yan yung pupuntahan nyo, okay? Doon sa gitna banda, gitna ng palengke, yung sa dulo, papunta sa may pagmalapit ka na sa yung Conti J Commercial Complex building. Kung nasaan nandoon yung Pure Gold. Alright? Yan. Hanapin nyo lang. Makikita nyo naman, Aling Dorang's. Hindi pa raw napapalitan yung signage. Pag pinalitan na yata yung signage, baka maging Ruchi's Rice Store na ba? Parang ganon. Tapos papalitan na rin yung mura na, nauutang pa, magiging ganito na. Parang gusto ko to. Ruchi's Bigas, tumatagal pag di sinaing. Bahala ka. Pwede mong gamitin yung mga suggestions ko, ha? Ayan, okay? Sumample na ako ng stand-up comedy para kay Ate Biki, ha? Yan, sample pa lang yan, okay? Pagka live in person, mas marami pa. Marami pang jokes, okay? Tapos, I will recommend na habang stand-up comedian ako, yung ibang mga tropa natin, mga kapatid natin, nakapalibot sa'yo na kinikiliti ka. Para matawa ka man o hindi sa jokes ko, tatawa't tatawa ka dahil may taga-kiliti. Okay, and also, moving on, our batch 90 tropas, ayan, that's tuning in the chat box right now. Okay, si Kuya John is there. Sino pa ba? Si Brother July Julian. Ang poging-poging si July Julian. Si Kuya Alvin Maniago. Ayan, shout out sa inyong lahat, ha. Ayan, pati na rin kay Ate Ruchi, of course, kay Ate Biki. na gusto nating patawanin talaga because of, what you has been through, okay? And moving on, we would like to congratulate Sir Ramon Fernandez for the successful opening of Tindahan ni Juan Candelaria, Zambales branch. Alam nyo, ang saya-saya sa Candelaria, ang babait ng mga tao doon. Na-meet ko silang lahat. Yan. Again, congratulations muna kay Sir Ramon Fernandez and family, the Fernandez family, the management team, Ma'am Shirley Dakanay and everybody, si Ma'am Sai, pasensya na, I don't have all of your names, the management team, pero sa inyong lahat, Tindahan ni Juan, mga bumubuo ng Tindahan ni Juan, congratulations for the successful opening of Candelaria. Alam mo, lahat naman ng branch ng Tindahan ni Juan na binuksan ng Fernandez family and his management team, successful lahat lagi. Okay? And the Candelaria opening last Sunday, January 28, is no different. Okay? Napaka-successful pa rin. Every time they open a store, it leaves a mark sa mga taong nando doon, yung mga taga ron. It always leaves a mark. Trust me. Dahil, ba't ko alam? Kasi nando doon ako eh. Ako yung nag-MC eh. Parang naisip ko, kung ako yung nando doon sa katayuan ng mga nando doon na nanonood, talagang magli-leave ng mark talaga to. Yeah, yung opening na ginawa, yung show na binibigay, yung pagpapakilala ng inopen na store. Ganun kalupit. Pet Malu, pare. Matindi. Again, congratulations Tindahan ni Juan, Candelaria Zambales. And ang sarap-sarap sa Candelaria Zambales. Oo, na-meet ko rin yung mga tao doon. Ang babait nila, no? Ang babait. Grabe. Tapos, nagustuhan ko yung isang barangay doon. Ang pangalan ng barangay na yon, Barangay Katol. At ayon sa aming reliable source, sa barangay na yon, walang kalamok-lamok. Barangay Katol. Pero yeah, everybody at Candelaria Zambales. Pati yung LGU Candelaria ha, yung local government unit nila, nako. Yung local government nila, ang babait ng mga tao, ang sarap kausap. Lalo na si Honorable Mayor Byron Jones Edkilang and Vice Mayor Honorable Gilbert Hermoso. Yan, shout out sa inyo mga sir ha. Alright, parang Sunday lang ako nandiyan, Tuesday pa lang ngayon, namimiss ko na kayo. Parang gusto ko nang bumalik. Pati na rin yung entire members of the Sangguniang Bayan. Pasensya na, I don't have all your names, but all of you guys, lahat kayo, wow, ang saya-saya. Congratulations sa Tindahan ni Juan. Successful opening with the help, of course, and assistance of the LGU Candelaria. Ayan. Also, ang pagbati natin galing sa tropa nating si Kuya Gilbert Banaban. Okay? Pati na rin si Kuya Jaime na na-meet ko doon, yung taga doon. Dati siyang PA to the stars, like Cheryl Cruz, among others, nung lab team pa sila ni Romnick Sarmenta. Taga Candelaria Zambales pala siya, yung dating PA ni Miss Cheryl Cruz, si Kuya Jaime. Yan, okay? So, all you guys, ang gwapong mayor na si Kuya Byron Jones, batang-bata, no? Parang artistahin pare pag na-meet mo. Parang nung na-meet ko nga si Mayor Byron Jones, parang naisip kong gwapo nito ah. Tapos bata pa, he's just in his 30s, parang ganoon. Tapos parang parang gusto kong magbago ng paniniwala. Muntik na akong umiba ng relihiyon. Pogi ng mayor eh. And again, shoutout sa napakagaling na photographer si Kuya Gilbert Banaban. Ayan, okay? Alam ko, hindi umaabot yung signal dyan sa Candelaria. Ang layo na. Pero I'm recording this on video. I'm gonna send you the video a little later. Pagkatapos. Ayan. Hindi ako usually nang babate. Nanggigreet lang. Tinigil ko na yung pambabati eh. Pero para sa inyo, binalik ko ha, yung pambabati. Kasi pag nambabati ako, kung ano nangyayari. Sabi ng mga binabati ko, pare, nagiging weird yung pakiramdam ko sa kakabati mo sa akin eh. Tama na yung bati, greet na lang. Okay? So ayan. Again, happy listening sa inyo. I know you're gonna catch this a little later dahil recorded. Kuya Gilbert Banaban, ayan, magaling na photographer. Videographer din. Kung kailangan niya yung services niya, hanapin niyo lang on Facebook. Gilbert L. Banaban of Candelaria, Zambales. Mura na, nauutang pa. That's about the time I have for this edition of this radio show. Naku, maraming salamat sa mga nakijam with me, nakisaya, nakigulo. Kanina pa since 10 a.m. Maraming salamat po. Thank you everybody for keeping me company. And I hope you guys will enjoy the rest of your Tuesday. Have a beautiful Tuesday afternoon. Have a beautiful Tuesday. All right? And I'm going to be playing my final song now. This is the song called Perfect. Music coming from Simple Plan. And with this song for now, Tommy G saying peace. Peace, y'all. I'm out of here. Bye for now. Catch me again tomorrow, Monday to Friday, 10 a.m. to 1, The Morning Brew Radio Show with DJ Tommy G on 89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Here's my final song for you guys. Bye-bye.